What you going goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel. Today your girl gonna be making some banana oats porridge, and here I have two green bananas. I have some oats, I have my cinnamon powder. I'm going to add some peanut punch powder, and it's Lasco. Adding, if you are allergic to peanut, you can add the creamy malt or the vanilla. I'm adding some ground nutmeg. I'm adding some almond essence, and I'll be adding a evaporated milk, and I'll be using almond milk to blend and also to boil my porridge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel my banana. But over here I have my Dutch pot. You want to make sure you have a Dutch pot, and I've added the almond milk to my Dutch pot. So let's go peel the banana and blend it with the oats, okay? Cut up my bananas, and I'm just going to add the oats to my blender. And I'm also going to add the banana to the blender. I'm going to add my nutmeg to the almond milk. Just like a teaspoon of nutmeg and a teaspoon of my ground cinnamon. Beautiful. So I'm blending with the almond milk. You can use the milk of your choice. Okay, so it's blended nice and smooth. We're going to put it into our pot. You want to rinse that out with some of your almond milk, but before you do that, you want to mix this because you don't want it to lump. And I'm using a whisk. You want to continue mixing for about a minute or two. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my Lasco powder, and then I'm going to add my almond milk, and I'm just going to mix this up. Now I'm going to add it to the pot. Stir. So now we're going to add our almond essence. I'm just adding like 1 teaspoon of almond essence. You want to add some vanilla as well. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And if you're using vanilla essence, you can use a tablespoon. But if not, then you're using the extract is a little bit stronger. So I'm going to add my evaporated milk, and I'm using 1 tin of the evaporated milk. Alright, goodies, so now I'm gonna mix this up. You wanna make sure that you have your stove on low, okay? Don't want to burn your porridge. Keep it on low, and we're going to just allow this now to cook. Alright, goodies, so after about 10 minutes, this is what it is looking like. Nice and thick. As you can see, it's bubbling. And at this point, it is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sweeten. So I've added some granulated sugar. I'm adding a pinch of salt. Just for balance, you can use your tin milk as well to sweeten your condensed milk. So look at it, goodies. It is looking absolutely amazing. The smell of the spices. So now you want to add some crackers, the real Jamaican way. We cannot have porridge without water crackers or bread. So that just top it off. Let me know what you think about this recipe. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. Until next time, walk good.